the Jennings Trophy last season for the lowest goals against average in the league with Robin Lehner. Sit back and enjoy this one. The Islanders, Brock Nelson wins the draw all the way back in the New York zone. Nino Niederreiter tries to clear for Carolina. They poke it out. 2-on-1. Hamilton with Teravainen far wing. Hamilton, Teravainen. They score! It's turbo time again. Just about 4 minutes gone in the opening period. Teuvo Teravainen has points in all 5 games. Carolina off and running.
In Hamilton, this is an absolute elite pass from Dougie Hamilton. The balance.
Midpoint, far wing Eberle. He'll look it over. His pass deflects for Bailey in front. They score. They go tic-tac goal.
6 minutes and penalties the other night. Boy, the wingers came in to help out. And eventually that led to Nelson, the eventual goal scorer, getting control off the face.
Oh, the Canes knocking on the door. In tight. Pesce again scores! Brett Pesce set up by Andrei Svechnikov, who continues his run. A surprising wrister in tight by 22, and Carolina has a 2-1 lead.
Being encouraged to hang around. He eventually, after Svechnikov threats.
Now it's wound in for Eberle out of the corner. Nelson moves it across. Here's Boychuk. Here it comes. He scores! Johnny Boychuk with a bomb that Mrazek had a clean look at. So Johnny Boychuk has scored.
He has a howitzer, and this was just a mano-a-mano. All 4 Carolina penalty killers on the same side of the ice. Mrazek well on top of his crease. He knows the shot's coming. I don't think it's redirected at all. Hurt the Islanders a little bit, just like the layoff after the sweep of the Islanders hurt the Hurricanes against Boston.
Absolutely right. Along the boards now. Erik Haula holding on to it. A power move. Shut down by Greiss. He scores! Give him a Haula! Erik Haula gets a second opportunity in the dead slot. 4:51 left in the second. 3-2 Carolina.
The former Vegas Golden Knight, former Minnesota Wild forward has been with Carolina. Carolina,
who has extended his point streak to all 5 games to start the season. In the high slot, it's Niederreiter. Drop pass Hamilton. They score! It's another bomb by number 19. Dougie Hamilton with the blast through traffic out in front. Just under a minute left in the second period. 4-2 Carolina.
Islander first round pick Niederreiter to get rewarded because he's been going tonight. And Dougie Hamilton could probably run for office right now in Raleigh. And Teuvo Teravainen, who also could run for office, goes to the front of the net late in the period and helps to create the screen. Greiss had trouble tracking it.
Crowd, of course, hanging around for the franchise history, and another surge. Open net. It's Svechnikov. Bullseye!
Well, after an excellent rookie campaign scoring 20 goals, Svechnikov spent his summer training in Yaroslavl.
3 seconds left. It's a 5 spot. 5 goals for 5 wins. And the Carolina Hurricanes have sent Hartford, Carolina.